Hey everybody, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I want to thank you guys. Today is a milestone. 400 subscribers. 400 subscribers. That's crazy. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I want to tell you more about doors and locks. Yes. 5 months of hard work. I have spent out-of-pocket money at least $15,000 according to the accountant. That's crazy. Should I talk more about that? 400 subscribers and still haven't made a single dime because I need 1,000 subscribers. You know, and I think you need a locksmith on your side to tell you all about this stuff. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Out-of-pocket money, at least $15,000 according to the accountant. That's crazy. I want to thank you guys who have subscribed. What about Vest vacuums? You know, 1 micron. That's crazy. Hospital grade goodies. I've lost a few friends over this, I will say that. Please tell your friends, I love talking about doors and locks and all this good stuff, you know. Or what about my work boots? It's the proper kind to wear in hospitals. Smith on your side to tell you all about this stuff, but I need your help. Thank you guys, though, for sticking with me. That's crazy. So not everybody sees it your way when you're doing the YouTube world, but thank you guys. That's crazy. So not everybody sees it your way. I've lost a few friends over this, I will say that. I've lost a few friends over this, I will say that. So not everybody sees it your way when you're doing the YouTube world, but thank you guys. Reason I'm doing more lock stuff. But, you know, that's what I normally do. Please tell me where I need to change maybe the format. What do you think, guys? Should I have tread or shouldn't I? Talk about more stuff, but I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. It's 29 degrees out here. I've lost a few friends over this, I will say that. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I want to tell you more about doors and locks. Yes. So you get to see the inside scoop of all this cool stuff. What about TriFlow? Could I talk more about that? So please subscribe, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this great stuff in the future. Could I talk more about cutting metal doors with the coolest saws on the planet? Thank you guys. That's crazy. A lot of people want me to do a walkthrough of all my goodies in my work truck. I don't know. I don't know if I want to talk about all this stuff. There's a lot of goodies here. You tell me, 400 subscribers and counting. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I want to tell you more about doors and locks. Yes. What did he just say? I think he said subscribe to my channel. Wonderful tools over the years, and you don't tell anybody about it. Man, is it cold out here. It's only 29 degrees. I think I'm going to tell you all about everything that you need as a locksmith. You really do need quite a few things. Now, what did he just say? Did he say subscribe to my channel? It really has been a great trip, guys, and you've made it all possible. I wouldn't have been able to do it without tons of suggestions and help from some of my friends that I've lost along the way, though. But still, I'm going to carry on. And we'll have more door and lock to my channel, like door and lock coming to you in the future. We're going to have a blast. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you.